Konnichiwa! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and we are back for another video reaction. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Love. So for today's video guys, we'll do react on this talented male group from Japan, MAZZEL. As they uploaded this video titled Dance Practice Moving Version as they perform with the song Waterfall. I'm so excited to listen to it guys because this is the first time that I'll be listening to Waterfall and I'm so excited. But before we start this video, big shout out to all MAZZEL fans who's always watching my reaction video. Thank you so much guys, and what are we waiting for? Let's go!
It's a whole is a yo crashing down the waterfall. What's up?
Oh, wow.
You man know I do. So no more go wanna keep away short and show. Like come you a console. If it's them all beautiful. So speed up, so sweet. We gon' make it louder. Get it, my game. We gon' take you higher. Get it, go, keep me shit aside. Kaya mo go, say my night. Don't need a project. Let's do this. Dripping. Crash down a waterfall. Ooh, we're falling. Crashing down a waterfall. That's why 고민하야 내가 가자. It's a movie deck. Time to bring it crashing down. Yeah.
Oh wow, there you have it guys, the Waterfall dance practice moving version by MAZZEL. I fell in love. I feel like butterflies around me watching this performance, and wow, my heart is racing right now guys. I feel like I'm having a heart attack watching this, and I really enjoyed it. Anyway guys, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed your reaction video for today because I really did enjoy it. And if you want to watch the full video on this, I'm gonna put the link on my description box below. Hope you check it. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also guys, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be updated to all my videos. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day today. I will see you guys later. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you so much guys. Stay safe everyone. Bye.